Class 10, exercise number 7.2, question number 5. A right angle triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm is revolved about the sides containing the right angle in two ways. Find the difference in volume of the two solids so formed. We want to find the difference in the two form. So it is given as a right angle triangle. So it is in the form of right angle triangle. Let me take it as this is 90 degree. So one of the side is 6, another side is 8, another side is 10, means the hypotenuse side is 10. First of all we choose the longest side, and then here we can take it as 8 and here we can take it as 6 cm side. The longest side is 10 and the remaining two side is 8 and 6. See, if I place one stick here like this, if I rotate the terms, we get like this as a conical shape, right? We get a conical shape. See, then this is the radius. So this is 6 cm radius. The radius will be 6 cm, the height is 8 cm. Let me take it as A, B, C. It revolves around AB. So the right angle triangle given three sides of triangle. Here the triangle is right angle triangle, that is 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Let me take it as a two cases. Case 1, it revolves about AB, revolves about AB. Imagine this is the AB line. If you place one stick like this, if you rotate the stick like this, will be rotated, the triangle will be revolves around, it forms a conical shape. Here the base, this is the radius, so this is 6 cm. Here the radius R is equal to 6 cm and this is the height H is equal to 8 cm. This is nothing but the slant height, L is equal to, here we don't want to find the slant height because we are going to find the volume only, right? So the volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r is nothing but the radius 6 square and the height h is equal to 8. Then 1 by 3 pi r square is nothing but 36 into 8. 3 ones are 3 12s are 12 8s are 96 pi. Let me take it as 96 pi centimeter cube in case 1. Next, in case 2, I am drawing here the same diagram. In case 2, this is A, B, C, this is 90 degree, here it is 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Now I place the stick here. If it revolves around the side BC, it rotates in the side of BC, means like this, then this will be rotated to form a conical shape like this. Then the radius will be, this is the radius, this is the base of the cone, this is the radius and this is the height. It revolves, for case 2, revolves about BC. It revolves about BC. See, it revolves around BC means this is the position of BC. It revolves around BC position. So this will be form a conical shape. So this is the base of the cone. Where it is a base is the radius. See, the first one is revolves about in this position. Right? First one is revolves around in this position. So it is the base is the radius. So here the base is 8. The radius is equal to 8 centimeter and the height h is equal to 6 centimeter. Right? Here don't want to find the slant height. Then the volume of cone is equal to, we know the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h, cubic units is the formula. Now 1 by 3 pi r is nothing but 8 square and h is nothing but 6. 3 ones are 3 2s are, right? Pi 8 8s are 64 into 2. 64 into 2 is nothing but 128 pi cubic centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So we want to find the difference in this volume. See, one is 128, another one is 96. See, difference in volume of cone is equal to, one is 128 pi, another one is 96 pi. Now subtract this, we get pi will be taken out commonly, right, or take it as it is just a variables, right. 128 minus 96 is equal to 232. 32 pi is the answer. Now we want to find the volume clearly. So now here I am going to apply the value of pi. We know that pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. Multiple this term, or 32 into 22 divided by 7, or 32 into 22 is, multiple the term first, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, again the term 4 6, 4 0 1, 704 is divided by 7, 704 is divided by 7 means we get, here I am going to quick division, 7 into 100 is 700, remainder 4, and then put 1 point, add 0, 7 5s are 35, and then remainder 5, already we have 0.0, 7 7s are 49, remainder 1, so we get 100.57. So the difference in the volume is 100.57 centimeter cube is the difference in the two volume of the cones. Thank you, students.